Hello guys, welcome to Little Neutron. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make our drone with the help of Pixhawk flight controller. As we know that Pixhawk flight controllers are well known for its stability. It is a really stable, reliable and portable flight controller. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here is the Pixhawk 2.4.8 flight controller. We will use a 500 quadcopter frame. This is the base plate that comes with built-in power distribution. We are using 30 ampere ESCs that support up to 4S LiPo batteries. I will highly recommend you to use at least 60 watt of soldering iron. Now we will solder the ESCs to the base plate. Make sure to connect the red wire of ESC to the positive terminal and the black wire of ESC to the negative terminal of the base plate. Now make sure that you have properly soldered the ESC, otherwise you will have a crash. Now we will use our X260 female connector. Now properly solder this connector to the base plate, because this is the only connector that will supply power to the ESC. This is the arm that comes with a 500 frame. Make sure to pass the wires of ESC between the two holes for screws. This is the M3 screw that comes with the frame. Similarly, we will connect all the remaining 3 arms to the frame. At the end, make sure to retighten the screws. These are the carbon fiber rods that come with the frame. These carbon fiber rods will hold the battery in position. These are the carbon fiber landing gears for our quadcopter. They are really strong and lightweight. We will connect the landing gears to the frame. These black M3 screws are specified for the landing gears. Now this is the top plate of our frame. Now carefully pass all the signal wires of ESC from the center of the top plate. Now fix it to the frame using screws. We will use 1100 kV brushless motor. These are the screws that are specified to connect motors to the arm. Now perfectly tight these screws, because in case of loose screws, your motor will cause vibration to the drone. Here is the tricky part. Take the central wire of ESC and connect it to the central wire of brushless DC motor. Now we will connect the remaining 2 wires of brushless DC motor to the remaining 2 wires of ESC. You can connect any one with others. Now we will use a LiPo battery and a servo tester to test the direction of the motor. Connect the LiPo battery to the drone. Now connect the signal wire of ESC to the servo tester. Now move the potentiometer and check the direction of the motor. Make sure the motor is spinning according to this diagram. If not, then keep the central wire of ESC connected with the central wire of brushless motor and swipe the remaining two wires with each other. With this strategy, you can see that the motor is spinning in opposite direction. Similarly, check the remaining three motors and make sure that they are spinning according to this diagram. In case any motor is spinning in wrong direction, just swipe the corner two wire. Now secure the cable with heat shrinker pipe. Not to keep the wire loose, we will use zip ties. Tie the wires to the frame using zip ties. Also tie the ESC with the zip tie. Now cut the extra part of the zip tie. This is the shock absorber for the flight controller. Make sure to secure the cable before placing the shock absorber. We will use this double tape to place the shock absorber to the frame. Now place the flight controller to the shock absorber using the double tape. This is the MX and GPS module. This connector is for GPS port and this one is for I2C port. Now we will place this GPS module on the stand. The most important thing is to make sure that the GPS arrow and the Pixhawk flight controller arrow must be in the same direction. This direction will be the forward direction of our quadcopter. Now tie the GPS stand with the screws. Now connect the GPS 6-pin connector to the GPS port of the flight controller. And connect the 2-pin connector of the GPS module to the I2C port of the flight controller. We are using the power module that will provide the required power to the flight controller. It comes with a male and a female XT60 connector. This female XT60 connector is for battery and this male XT60 connector is for the frame. This is a 6-pin micro connector that will provide the power to the flight controller. Now we will pass the power module connector between the two plates, the top plate and the base plate, and connect it to the power port of the flight controller. We will connect the ESC signal wires to the main output port. Make sure to remove the central positive wire from the connector. Now we will connect the signal wire of motor 1 ESC to the pin number first of the main output of the flight controller. Similarly, second pin to second pin, third pin to third pin and fourth pin to fourth pin. Now we will cover all the positive wires of the connector so that they don't make short circuit. Here is the FlySky FSI6X transmitter. This is the FlySky FSI6X 10-channel transmitter. And this is its 10-channel receiver. We will attach this receiver to the frame using zip tie. Now we will use a 3-pin to 3-pin jumper that will connect to the flight controller RC pin and the other end to the first channel of the receiver. This is the buzzer for different indications. We will connect its pin to the buzzer port of the flight controller. We need to place the batteries in the transmitter. We need 1.5 volt AA cell. After placing the batteries, turn all the toggle switches to the top position and the two potentiometers to the 0 position, and the joystick must stay at the off position. Now just turn on the transmitter. Now press and hold the OK button. Now again press OK and go to RX setup. and then press OK. Now go down to the output mode and press OK. Here the arrow is on PWM and we need to put it on PPM. Go down and press and hold the cancel button to save the settings. Now just go back to main screen. This is a 5.2 amperes 3S LiPo battery. This is the output mode and this is for charging purpose. This is the battery holder that comes in the frame. Now attach this LiPo battery holder to the carbon fiber rod. Now connect your flight controller to your PC or laptop. Open the Mission Planner software and make sure to select the right COM port. Just click on connect and wait for 3 seconds. Now we will go to setup. Install firmware, but we can install until we disconnect our flight controller. After disconnecting, select the copper V4.4.2 official. Click on yes. Make sure to select the one here. It will take some time to download from internet and upload it to your board. After uploading done, now you can connect it again. Now again go to setup, mandatory hardware, frame type, make sure it is quadcopter selected. Now Excel calibration. Now we need to place our quadcopter to the flat surface. After placing it to the flat surface, just click done. Now place your quadcopter to the left position and click done. Now to the right position and click done. Now nose down position and click done. Now nose up position and click done. Now flip your drone to the back position and click done. Now again place your quadcopter level and press calibrate level. Now we will calibrate our compass. Make sure to check the first two boxes and then click start. After clicking the start, now turn your quadcopter in all the directions possible. This is really hard with USB cable, but in future we will use autonomous switches, so that will be really easy for us. After the loading is complete, now we can place our quadcopter level. Now we need to reboot our quadcopter. Click on reboot. Now again we will connect it. Now we will do our radio calibration. For radio calibration, we just need to turn on our transmitter. After turning on, we can see that the box is filled with some green color. This green color indicates the position of our switches. Now click on Calibrate Radio. Now we will move all the switches at the bottom and the top position. Also the joystick, potentiometer and toggle switches. After this, click on Done. The values have been successfully stored in the flight controller. Now we will do our ESC calibration. For ESC calibration, just click on Calibrate ESC, then disconnect the ESC cable from the flight controller. Now plug in the battery and wait until it beeps. After the beep is complete, now your ESC has been successfully calibrated. Now we will select our flight mode. In First, I have selected the stable mode, second is F-hold mode, third is RTL, fourth is position hold mode, fifth is stable mode, and sixth is smart RTL mode. There are many other options as you can see in the list. Select any one and just click on the save mode. Now in price and section, in radio section I have selected always return to home. Now our software part is completed. Now we will check if our drone armed or not. For arming our quadcopter, we just need to hold the floating stick to the right home position. We have successfully armed our drone. Now we will check if the motors are perfectly working. Yes, they are working. Now the last one is the propellers. We need a propeller balancer. This is a 9.5-inch AGI propeller. The built-in propellers are not perfectly balanced, so for that we need this balancer. We will check if the propellers are perfectly balanced or not. Yes, it's not perfectly balanced. Now for perfectly balancing these two blades, we need a cutter. We will rub that blade with the cutter that was having more weight. Now again we will check if it is balanced or not. If not, we will repeat the same process. Now we can see that it is perfectly balanced. We will do the same procedure with the remaining 3 propellers. After all, now we will attach our propellers to the quadcopter. Make sure to attach the ground frame plastic pieces to the propellers, and also make sure to attach the propellers according to ribbon diagram, otherwise you will have a crash. Now it's ready for our first flight. This Pixhawk flight controller is really very stable flight controller, as you can see. In the next part, we will connect our FPV system and camera to our drone. So stay tuned and wait for the next part. Make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest video. Take care and see you soon.